Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have a late bag arrival. This is Eyescream Beauty bag, and this is the May 2024 bag. It's like, emailed them, I'm like, where's my bag? And they're like, well, we shipped it. I'm like, okay. I trust them because they're usually extremely good with mailing out their products. Whether it got lost in the mail or it never got shipped, I have it now, and that's all that matters. So this is May, so you might have seen a lot of these already. I haven't seen any. I also haven't had too much time for YouTube as of late. Been so busy. Just get rid of that. And of course, you're going to hear patches because she's going to start. This is $12.50 a month, taxes included. We do pay shipping of $4. Comes out to $16.50. Usually get 3, sometimes 4 beauty products. And like I said, this is the May bag. We have 3 products. Shh. 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 She's just staring at me. First product. Where's the first? Time Bomb from the Balm for a flawless face primer. I don't know if I have anything from the Balm, do I? I would have to look. I have so many primers. I have no idea. I might, well, I don't think I have this. Might have to give it a try. It doesn't look all that full. I mean, honestly, I can see up to here. I don't know if there's product in the top half. I mean, it is 1 fluid ounce. I have no idea, but I'm excited to try that. I don't think I have the Balm, personally. Primer. Oh, good brand, Gerard Cosmetics. What are you, though? Light 'em up. Okay, and I don't know. This just says James on the bottom. I don't know if there's different. I would assume this is a highlighter, but could be a lip. I have no idea. Eyeshadow. That is definitely a lipstick. I would assume that's a lipstick. And they have like a mirror on the back. Look at that color. Is that like a brown? Is that a lipstick or is that a... Help me out here, guys. Is this a lipstick or is this an eyeshadow? Light them up. Oh, lip gloss. There you go. Oh, and this has the... Do you see the light in the lid? It's a lip gloss. Ooh, that's like a black cherry. Ooh, I like those. That's a little dark. But I think I can make that work. Do you see the light in the lid? It smells nice, like a vanilla. Ooh, that's really pretty. I like that. And there is like a mirror on the back. Oh, I'm excited for that. Pretty, pretty color. Let me get my sweater out of the way. I am freezing. Hence the sweater. Let me get this off. And so the Balm is $30 for the primer. The lip gloss is $24. Just trying to open the bubble here. And then this is from Illuminati Cosmetics Sparkle and Shine palette. As I'm trying to get it all. Beautiful color. Sparkle and Shine. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh, that's pretty. It has a nice mirror. I'm just going to block some of the mirror if I can, so you don't get reflect. It's a pretty small palette. I just don't know if I would use any of that, if I'm being honest. I mean, it is pretty, but I don't think I would use that. I think I have other ones from them. But this one I will definitely share because, like I said, I don't think I would use that. But the other 2 items I'm happy about. Not bad for $16.50. What do you think? I know this is the May bag. I'm excited for the June bag, which I should have any day now. I'm trying to get this stuff off my blade. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is a quick one today. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.